Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would make this cute little frog mold. And I'm going to use my mica powders and I'm going to color in the frog. And I think I'm going to use some mica powders on the leaf also. So I'm going to make the frog like this coppery color. And I'm just going to paint it in. Now all my supplies are in the description box. This is just going to be a quick short video. Trying to get all those little toes. I did get some along the edges. That's fine. I'm just going to close that up. So yeah, all the supplies you're going to need basically are just the resin and the mica powder. You'll need a mixing bowl and a utensil. I'm just going to grab up some other colors just to make this leaf a little interesting. Okay, no, I wish I didn't. I'm just going to get a baby wipe here. I'm just going to take some of this color away that got on the side. And I'm going to try to get the color out of his eye. Just a little, if I can. I'll use the bottom part of this. Well, that worked well. I'm going to get some of that color off of here. Okay. And now with his eye, I want to use, let me see, not that color, like a black. And then I want to see if I've got a smaller brush, which I do. So I'm just going to use this. And then do his eye. I think this might be more of a dark purple and not a black. That's what it looks like to me. I'm not sure. All right, and then I'm just going to use various colors for the leaf. So I'm just going to open these all up. I just want to make it look nice and colorful. And this one doesn't want to open. Okay. And I'm just going to just dab in some of the colors. And then I'll go back to the green and put some more green in. Trying very carefully. Oops, I see I made a mistake over there, so I have to fix that really quick. There's, I thought it was part of the leaf, and it was part of his, actually part of his leg. So we're just gonna have to fix that. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same. I'm going to use the other one. It's a little thinner on there, so I'm just going to use that. And I'm just going to clean out that area that is his leg, which I didn't know. There we go. And then, let's see, get some of this. And get it into his leg there. All right. Now for the mixing bowl, I'm just going to close these up really quick. I'm going to need the green. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's probably not perfect, but I just wanted to do a quick video. That should be good. And then just mix it up really good. I've been wanting to use this this mold since I got it. Like I said, all the supplies are in the description box. But I did purchase that from Temu. Okay, and then I'm just going to have to get some of the bubbles out. Then I'll just pour it in here. Might have to make another batch up. It looks like we will. I didn't realize that this was, you know, such a big mold. Didn't seem like it. I love this green color. It is really pretty. You can also use a heat gun to get rid of the bubbles if you'd like. And just pour it in. Now, Now this just was filling in on its own, but I was adding a little to it. There. All right. So just wipe off my mixing utensil, set that aside, wipe this off. And then we're going to cure this for 5 minutes on one side and then turn it over and cure it 5 minutes on the other side. All right, now that it's done curing, we can remove it from the mold. Oh, looks rather nice. All right, well, I would like mine to have a shiny top coat, and I like to use this one door. Let me get my little tile out with the little sticky tack, just so it's raised up a bit. I do see a little mark. Well, it's not a little mark. It's a little, it's where it ran over a little bit. So I'm just going to try to lift it up. And I'm just going to file that little bit down. It's a little too thick to trim with some scissors, so I'm just going to file this down. Okay, I'm going to put it on the sticky tack. I just want it raised up a little bit. And then I'm going to coat it in the one door. It's just UV gel nail polish top coat. I'm going to get all the edges and everything. And my little frog. The frog's got a little green in him, so it looks kind of cute. He looks more natural than just being like one color. It's got a touch of green. And you can mostly see like the darker blue of the mica powder that I painted on. The lighter ones really didn't show up too well, but that's okay. Just making sure I get all the spots all the way around. Okay, make sure there's no bubbles. And then I'm going to cure this for 3 minutes. All right, now that he's cured, I also can see more clearly that I missed parts. Like right here, there's a foot. I missed his eye over here, but that's okay. I just wanted to try this one out. I'll probably do it again. I did put a top coat on the back also, so they're both shiny. Now you don't have to use this top coat. You don't run out and buy it or anything like that. You don't need it. You could just do a top coat of UV resin and that works just fine. So I'm going to make it into a keychain. And I'm just putting the jump ring on. Now I'm placing the keychain, closing it up. These are sometimes hard to close. because for the keychains, the jump rings are a bit thicker. Okay, I don't like the way that closed, so I'm just gonna keep trying until I get those two ends to meet. And there we go. Needed a little strength there to do that. And I also want the lobster claw clasp on it, so I'm just going to put that on there. So if I want to attach it to, you know, something else besides my keys, I'll have that on there, and I can just, you know, put it on my purse or whatever, just because it's cute. So if you liked my video, oh, one more thing, wait a second. I had leftovers, so I made this cute little dinosaur. And you'll probably see him on another video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him, but I'll probably make another one, maybe a pair of earrings, or I'm not really sure, a pendant. But you'll see him in another video. But right now, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my artwork, my jewelry, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.